Understanding the Self presented by Group 5, and let's start. Political self is that aspect of the self that helps the individuals understand and function effectively in society. Filipino as social and political beings need to be aware of their identity to function effectively in a democratic society. Explanation: ang ibig sabihin nito ay ang political self ay ang bahagi ng pagkatao ng isang tao na tumutulong sa kanya kung paano siya makikilahok na epektibo dito. Upang aktibong makikilahok at gampanan ang kanilang responsibilidad sa isang demokratikong lipunan, maaari silang magboto, makikilahok sa mga talakayan o pagsusulong ng mga pagbabago sa lipunan. National identity is a coexisting and overlapping social identity comprising territorial, tribal, or ethnic, religious, linguistic, class, and gender identities by Greenfield and Girot, year of 1994. As a geographically diverse country, the Filipino identity consists of many ethnic identities and cultures while striving for one national identity. In terms of ethnicity, the 2010 census, Philippine Statistics Authority provided the following breakdown. So, ang explanation, ibig sabihin nito ay ang pambansang pagkakakilanlan ay binubuo ng iba't ibang panlipunang pagkakakilanlan tulad ng teritoryo, etnisidad, relihiyon, wika, antas sa lipunan at kasarian na sabay-sabay na umiiral at minsan ay nagkakapatong. Sa Pilipinas, dahil sa geographical na pagkakaiba, maraming etnikong grupo at kultura ang nabuo. Sa kabila ng mga pagkakaibang ito, nagsusumikap ang mga Pilipino na magkaisa sa ilalim ng isang pambansang pagkakakilanlan habang kinikilala at iginagalang ang kanilang etnikong pagkakaiba. Ito ay ang mga kabilang sa national identity. Meron ditong Tagalog, Visayan or Bisaya, Cebuano, Ilocano, Hiligaynon, Bicol, Warais, at iba pa. So sa Tagalog ay merong 24.44%, Bisayan or Bisaya ay meron itong 11.4%, Cebuano 99.9%, Ilocano 8.8%, Hiligaynon 8.4%, Bicol 6.8%, Warais 4%, and others is 26.2%. Others represent group including the Moro, Kapampangan, Panganins, Ibanag, and Ivatan, and indigenous groups including Igorot, Mangyan, Badjao, and tribes of Palawan. The nation's population speaks of Filipino and English as official languages but have a recorded 186 individual language, with 182 as living language and 4 as extinct languages. In the 2010 census, speakers of the various language comprise the following. So, Tagalog, Cebuano, Ilocano, Hiligaynon, Waray, other local and languages and dialects, other foreign languages and dialects, and not reported and not state. So, sa Tagalog, meron pa rin 24.44%. Sa Cebuano naman ay meron 21.35%. Ilocano, 8.77%, Hiligaynon 8.44%, Waray 3.97%, other local languages is 26.09%, other foreign languages 0.09%, not reported or not state is 0.01%. In the same census year, religion in the Philippines estimate Catholics is nasa 8.58%, Protestants 10.8%, Muslims 5.57%, and none or not stated religion is 0.08%.
Virgilio Enriquez, father of Philippine psychology, was starting a wave in which social scientists re-examine Filipino values based on both indigenous or insider and exogenous or outsider perspectives. So si Virgilio Enriquez, siya daw ang father of Philippine psychology. And psychology, the scientific study of human behavior and mind. Indigenous, ito ang katutubong Pilipino na may karanasan at kaalaman sa komunidad. Exogenous, dayuhan na nagmamasid o may sariling pananaw. Surface value are further divided into two, colonial accommodative and confrontative surface. Colonial accommodative consists of hiya. Halimbawa, ang isang estudyante ay bumagsak sa isang pagsusulit at nakaramdam ng hiya na nag-uudyok sa kanila na mas mag-aral ng mabuti sa susunod upang maiwasan ang kahihiyan sa hinaharap. Next, utang na loob. Halimbawa, napansin mong nagugutom ang iyong kaklase at walang pambili ng pagkain, kaya binigyan mo. Kaya sa susunod, ay iyong kaklase ay tutulong sa iyo kapag ikaw ay nangangailangan. Pakikisama. Halimbawa, pagkatapos ng klase ay sumasama ka sa iyong mga kaklase na mamasyal upang manatili ang maayos na relasyon. Ito ay nagbibigay din ng pagkakaisa at kooperasyon. A confrontative surface naman includes of bahala na. Halimbawa, nagpapasya na magsimula ng isang maliit na negosyo na may limitadong kapital. Nagtitiwala na bahala na. Ang mga bagay ay gagana sa pamamagitan ng pagsisikap at pananampalataya. Sama o lakas ng loob. Ang pagsasalita laban sa korupsyon sa isang komunidad sa kabila ng mga potensyal na panganib ay nagpapakita ng lakas na loob. Pakikibaka. Ang pagsali sa isang protesta laban sa pagkasira ng kapaligiran ay nagpapakita ng pakikibaka para sa proteksyon ng mga likas na yaman.
The pivotal interpersonal value is pakiramdam or pakikipag-kapwa-tao, shared and reception. For example, saying please and thank you or po at opo, so nag-show siya og respect. Other example is keeping promises is na siya trust. Values is kapwa or pagkatao. Shared identity, which means that the other value emanate from this. Okay. The core value is mauna ang atong pagkatao or naa din hapon atong belief, behavior, decision, and action. The fundamental of human value is consists of a linking socio-personal value identified as kagandahang loob, pagkamatao, shared humanity. And naa siya three ka-associated societal values, which means mauna ang dignity, justice, and freedom. So, dignity. Example of dignity is treating others with kindness and respect. Second is justice. Example sa justice is a person being treated equally under the law regardless of their social status. And the last is freedom. For example is leaving decisions for yourself or choosing what you want to do.
The Kapwa model is a theory that explains the modes by which Filipinos engage in social interaction. It distinguishes the level of interaction that occur with the people that are considered hindi ibang tao or one of us, and ibang tao not of us or outsider. If one is regarded as ibang tao, the interaction can proceed from pakikitungo, transaction, or civility with pakikisalamuha, interaction with to pakikisalahok, joining, participating, to pakikibagay in conformity with, in accord with, and to pakisama, being alone with. Pipua and Potassium Marcelino 2000. And contrast with hindi ibang tao, there will be a ascending level of interaction starting from pakikipagpalagayang loob or being in rapport, understanding, and acceptance with to pakikisangkot, getting involved, or to the highest level of pakikisa, being one. From example, a cashier at a grocery store greets a customer with a smile and say, "Good morning." Number 2, pakikisalamuha, mixing. Example, you strike a friendly conversation with another parent at your child's school event discussing common interests. Number 3, pakikibagay or conformity. For example, a foreigner visiting the Philippines observes and adopts local culture customs, like waiting to be awarded food before eating. Number 4, pakisama, being alone. Example, a college event you to and birthday lunch with the team. An event 2, you plan to work through lunch. You decide to join them to be a good sports. Number 5, pakikipagpalagayang loob, mutual trust. For example, in research study, a Filipino psychologist conduct multiple informal conversations with participants until they felt comfortable at its knowing to share their honest feelings. Number 6, pakikisangkot or getting involved. Activity involved. For example, as a friend is going through a difficult divorce, you don't just offer sympathy but actively help them pack their belongings, look for a new place, and provide consistent emotional supports. Number 7, pakikiisa, being one. Example, after a national disaster, a community comes together to help and another deploy resources, build temporary shelters, and proceed food and emotional support, working as to help those affected.
This has led to the reformulated value system of the Filipino adolescence framework, in which 11 of the 12 original values were found to be regarded as still important among the youth, including kagandahan loob, kalayaan, katarungan, lakas ng loob, pakikipagkapwa, karangalan, pakikisama, pakikiramdam, utang na loob, pakikibaka, and hiya. The reformulated value system of the Filipino adolescence framework is a study that identifies the core values that are still relevant and important to Filipino youth. So, ang original values is 12. A set of values studies of their significance in Filipino culture. Ang gibutang lang is 11. Ang 11 values is mo na siya. Ganahan loob, kalayaan, katarungan, lakas ng loob, pakikipagkapwa, karangalan, pakikisama, pakikiramdam, utang na loob, pakikibaka, and hiya. So, ang 12 and the last one value was draft bahala na.
National identity consists of 3 dimensions, including self-categorizations, affect, and normative contents. Self-categorization is described as identification with a group in a sense of psychological belongingness for sharing certain characteristics. Number 2, affect. If self-categorization is identification as that connotes one perceives location in a group, affects is identification with a particular group. Number 3, normative content. This refers to the particular set of ideas about what makes a nation distinctive, ideas about its members, its core values and goals, and territory it ought to occupy in its relations to other nations. Self-categorization is kung asa ka belong na grupo. Like for example, ako taga-kaulo and makakapil ko og belongness dito. And I'm a member of tribo nga kaulo. Number 2 naman is affect. If ang self-categorization daw is ma-identify nimo kung asa ka belong na grupo, ang affect naman is na kay malasakit or concern of that group. Like for example, discriminate ang ako ang tribo. Siyempre na ako'y concern or malasakit sila. Maka-feel na kog emotions. And number 3 naman is normative content. Normative content is a guide to make a wise decision for the nation para mas ikalambo sa isa ka lugar. Apil na ang members sa katong na lugar. Like for example, our president must know how to manage or handle our nation. Dapat kabalo siya kung paano dalon ang isa ka lugar, kung paano ilambo ang isa ka bansa. And unsa ang ikamaayo sa member na atong grupo.
Social identity theory. Our sense of oneness or association with our in-group evokes positive feelings, pride, conformity to group norms, and even a sense of protectiveness, especially when our group is threatened or attacked. Explanation. This theory says that people feel a strong connection and pride with the group they belong, like their family, school, religion, or community. Because of this oneness, they tend to follow group rules and defend their group when it's criticized or attacked. Example: students feel proud of their school and joins activities to support it. When others insult their school, they feel protective and defend it. Establishing a democratic culture, social institutions and agencies including schools, church, family, children's clubs, and organizations. Communities in the media that observe democratic principles and have real democratic structures function as the best models to help children learn the true meaning of democracy. Explanation. A democratic culture means learning and practicing fairness, equality, respect, and participation. Institutions like schools, families, churches, organizations, and the media teach these values by allowing everyone to have a voice and by modeling democratic behavior. Example: in a classroom, the teacher lets students vote on classrooms on their group leaders. This helps them understand democracy, the idea that everyone's opinions matters.